Hello，大家好，好耐冇見。咁今日想講乜嘢呢？咁首先咧，第一就唔好意思，我就好耐冇 upload 喺呢度啦，就做呢個 challenge 話日日都會嚟 upload 嘅。咁其實就呢幾日就冇啦。咁就因為我唔想講嘅，所以就冇 upload 到。So anyways，咁我就會 continue 佢嘅，唔好 worry，like don't worry。Okay, so anyways，so 今日個 topic 咧，我就係想講下唐人街。咁唐人街呢個地方，好多人就會覺得 like，佢係我同我啲朋友 hang out 啊，or like 我喺嗰度食嘢啊，我喺嗰度買珍珠奶茶 boba，etc etc，or 我喺個 bakery 嗰度買菠蘿包啊、蛋撻啊 ，all these things。And for me， 唐人街係有一個好喺我心目中係有一個好特別同埋好緊要嘅位置。Because 如果你去 find out 你自己城市嘅唐人街，你會知道嘅 history，佢係點樣開始嘅 ，and then 呢個 community 係點樣 last till present day。That's one thing。Another thing is like，如果你 like walk around 唐人街，你可能見到有個 plaque， 即係 from 某啲地方就會講 a little like brief history about 呢個唐人街某一段即係少少 like information about 佢嘅 ，which I feel like 之前我係冇 notice 咯，and later 我大個咗，我就原來係有咁樣嘅喎，咁我就覺得呢個就 to me 就好緊要咯，因為唐人街除咗喺屋企以外嘅地方，就係呢個地方講廣東話嘅，同埋食到即係有鑊氣嘅 food。Okay，so to me it's not only a place where people hang out and eat and anything, and it's the community and the history, and I guess in some way it also really for like my identity as well. It helped me sort of like, so there's this history here which you don't really normally read about in your history textbooks. I've never read it in my history textbook. And so that's what I wanted to tell y'all. And go find out like not only like Chinatown, any community, find out like about their history. I'll see you in the next video.